Okay, this is a little Lego thing that I made. Yeah, I'll just look at the chair for a second. I'll get it. Okay, here it is. So yeah, there's Commander Cody. There's this new guy that I made. Yeah, I shaved that thing off. I also made a little, army thing of this. There's that guy, guarding him. Yeah, and there's these guys back here. Yeah, those don't really matter, but this is my favorite guy of the whole thing. ARC Trooper, Red ARC Trooper. Cool guns, backpack. And, those things. Well, my base.